Here's how to make the paper roll Christmas tree. Take a paper roll and cut it open like this. Then cut it into thirds. Each of those thirds, you're going to take your scissors then and cut little slits in them all the way across, but make sure you're leaving a little bit where they're all attached. Now, keeping it the full length is hard to work with, so I cut them all in half and then folded back the part where they're attached to make a flat section. That's what's going to attach to your cone. Now, to make a cone, you're going to take a paper plate and cut out about a third of it to look like Pac-Man. See that? And then fold it around like this and tape it. That's the easiest way to make a cone. You decide how big it is. And then grab your glue gun and just start attaching each of those sections. It's easy to overlap them if you just go around one row at a time. See how it lines up with the flat part of each of them? And you're just going to keep doing that up the cone, making sure you're just gluing on the flat section. Now you can trim them as needed. I found as it got up to the top where the point gets smaller, you can trim them even shorter. And there's the base. Look how cute. Now the hole at the top, I just cut a little circle out of the cardboard and glued that to the top to make it flat. And you gave me so many different ideas to decorate, but I really just wanted to see what it looked like with different shades of green. So I painted it. You could paint the paper rolls before, but honestly, this just worked fine. I'm even gonna brush on a little bit of white paint for snow. I did try the pom-poms, but I thought they looked kind of funny, but I found these really pretty beads. So I cut some of those off and used them for ornaments. I really like the red and green tone. Just kept it simple today. There are so many different ways you could decorate this. Add a little star and you got a Christmas tree.